I'm begging y'all to stop making ramen the old boring way and try out this easy ramen boil recipe because I'm guaranteeing that y'all gonna wanna make this for dinner tonight. So hold up, let me cook. First, I boiled some eggs for about 10 minutes, and once those were done, I tossed those into an ice bath and then started working on my sausage. Whenever it comes to a boil, I always use andouille sausage. I feel like it just brings out the best flavor. And that's the sausage that's typically used whenever it comes to boils. And now it's time to start building that sauce. Toss in a half a stick of butter, about a tablespoon of garlic, and we're gonna melt that down, and then we're gonna add all the seasonings you see listed on the screen. Now, once that butter is melted, go ahead and give it all a good mix, and then, oh, I almost forgot, add in those packets from the noodles too. Then add in about a cup of water to dilute it because it's gonna be pretty strong and you can make adjustments from there. Now, to some boiling water, go ahead and toss in your noodle packets and take a couple cups of the noodle water and add it to your sauce. And that's pretty much it. Go ahead and cut up your eggs, add your noodles to a bowl, toss in those sausage, add your eggs to the bowl, and then last but not least, toss in that sauce that we made earlier. And pretty much all you gotta do now is enjoy, because